think the collaboration between DRG4Food and FOODITY is a really good use case of what two projects that really want to work together can in fact do and conquer and really achieve good impact. More than just sharing posts on social media, which is what we kind of see. We really came together, we explored opportunities of organizing joint events, workshops, webinars, sharing people across projects to participate in different activities. So we really had all the ingredients to be a successful project, and I think that is something that the Commission will recognize. So I think this event has been a great opportunity for two projects working on the same topic, food, nutrition, digital responsibility, data management, to come together and really showcase the value of the effort that they put into these domains. We get to see 12 projects from FOODITY, we get to see 8 projects from DRG4Food, really innovative ideas, solutions that have made a change in what we're trying to achieve in this domain. We also get to listen from the DRG4Food perspective, the digital responsibility goals, things that they're achieving, and it has all the ingredients to be a successful event, which I'm sure many people that are attending can learn from.
This event, the final conference of DRG4Food and FOODITY, was very, very important to us. Why is that? Because we were able to come together and then jointly see and take stock of what we've achieved, which was meaningful to us. But of course, more meaningful it was to present to the funding body and to the policymakers what we've been able to achieve, what we were able to build, and what really resulted out of this call that was once out there in 2021 into concrete undertakings in 2025. And then topic number 3, that we were also able to show this to the wider public and to folks that were interested, and not only show it to them, but also involve them. That's why we had so many speakers that were not part of the project, but that were from the food and data ecosystem, sharing their insights with us and taking some of them home with them. So in terms of impact on DRG4Food, I think that's lasting, of course, well beyond the project. Yes, of course, there are reports. Yes, of course, there are deliverables that we've written, and there's some submissions we will do. So that's still to be done. That's not the impact that I think is most meaningful. I think the impact that is most meaningful is that we connected some dots. And out of these connections, there's something else growing, and it is already growing. We made further connections here at the conferences. This is where the magic happens. This is where ideas spark. This is where innovation comes to play. And on a personal note, I can also say that it was sometimes challenging to manage the group of partners, to drive the project, and to keep things in flow, and of course still work against the strategy. But personally, I can say that it was really enriching. It had an impact on myself, and I can say that I had a lot of fun, and I've been growing along the way. So thank you to everyone involved in DRG4Food, and well, to the EU for giving us the money to do that.
Onconories is about improving quality of life of cancer patients with a nutritional intervention. To achieve that, we developed some modules such as an intelligent food logging system, product scanner, weekly menu recommender, smart guide.
FOODITY has allowed us to create Onconories, a consortium composed by EVIONS, the TPIC and the movement. It has been a real pleasure to work together with these amazing professionals, and this is something that we want to continue beyond the project. FOODITY has done much more than that. FOODITY have guided and supported us through this whole year, participating directly in the construction of the solution that we have created. FOODITY also gives us the opportunity to see the progress of the other teams in the program, and it has been great to see the progress.
We are very happy of being here in this final phase of this FOODITY program, because it has been a huge help for us to continue developing our tools and to continue improving the life of cancer patients. It has been a huge help to move one step forward in our roadmap.
We have developed something really unique for the cocoa value chain. Cocoa is something you all know from chocolate, but actually there are many different players in that supply chain. And what we did is we implemented different kinds of solutions, tools, and processes that help farmers to get more value from their produce, so from the cocoa. And we used the DRG framework to develop these software systems and tools to be able to create more trust in the supply chain, create more value, and eventually create higher incomes for farmers.
Reduce is our project that presented in the FOODITY program, and
thanks to FOODITY, we were able to develop our most advanced solution, which consists of a platform for catering companies where they can monitor food wastage at the canteen. Thanks to FOODITY, we were able to implement our most advanced solution, which consists of a platform for catering companies to monitor food wastage when at the canteen, first of all, but most importantly, to interact with users with the gamification processes to understand what's wrong in the meals and provide the catering companies with insights and prompt to prevent food waste from happening.
Gini integrates genetics, microbiota, and biochemical data into personalized diets and grocery recommendation system, so users can choose better choices at the purchase. Collaborating and be one of the projects of DRG4FOOD was great, not only because the funding, but also for the exposure, for example, from today, and all the key networking from potential partners, clients, and supporters in general for Gini.
we make corporate food vouchers sustainable and engaging for the employees of companies. How we do that is that we connect companies to local sustainable users through our platform, where the employees can buy using digital vouchers local sustainable food. The FOODITY project was crucial for us, not only because of funding provided, also because of it, we were able to focus full time during months on our solution, which otherwise wouldn't be possible. But also it was crucial because of the mentorship provided. We improved many things, were open for all the feedback, and it's really beneficial for us to have different experts review our solution and how we can improve it and where we need to focus, what we need to maybe left out.
The DISH project is about individualized nutrition and personalized recipes. So we have developed technology to express recipes in a machine-readable form, and our team in FOODITY has developed a curated corpus of recipes that are expressed in that language and that's taken into account different nutritional requirements. Maybe you can explain better than myself what this is about.
We looked at the recipes, we looked at the ingredients, at the nutritional values, and also at the nutritional requirements from different people, like different age groups, different sexes, different kind of workers, like physical work or office work, sportsmen, all kind of things. Also in the disease prevention, and then we matched up the requirements and the nutritional values from the recipes and improved the recipes.